So hello guys, I'm introducing here you to for the CGI L1 round. So what are the questions I have faced in my interviews? I'm sharing with you today for the L1 round for the CGI company. Firstly, they asked me for the brief intro about me and the project. What are the project I have worked uh, in my IT journey, and I have a 6 year of experience. So this drive happened on like last week on Feb 2025, and so today I'm sharing with you. So what are the question I faced and everything in detail also. So for the L1 interview round, uh, firstly he asked me about the stack of the technology. I have Java, Java 8, microservices, and Spring, Spring Boot, and yeah, these and for Postgres SQL for the backend. So the question you can prepared mostly for core Java. Core Java is like you should have your basics clear. So firstly he asked me about what are the four pillars of Java. What are the four pillars of Java? You know guys, inheritance, abstraction, a polymorphism, and encapsulation. After that, he asked me about the method overloading and overriding, where we used in your class. In the same class, what you used in your like subclass and base class, what do you use? What do you prefer? And after that, he move on to inheritance and the abstract class. What are the difference between the inheritance and abstraction? You should know that. And abstraction, when you use, like you should know if he asked any question, if they ask any question, you should know always why, because we have 6 year of experience. And after that, why string is immutable. And after the finally, and finalize keyword difference. And some questions from garbage collection. Why we use garbage collection? Because in Java it automatically remove the unused objects. Wait and sleep method, where we used all both. And after that, he asked me about the difference between array list and linked list, when to use, at what condition. Like array list should be for searching, and if you have to perform operation like insertion and deletion, you should always use linked list. What are the internal working of it? Also hash map and hash tree, how internally both work. Tree map. And after that he asked me about, he moved to the, like he moved to the Java 8. What are you working in Java 8? Have you worked on it or not? Java 8, what are the features of it? Then lambda expression, like what are the lambda expression you have used, like by consumer, and you can say predicates, by predicates, all these. Stream API, what is stream API, what are the functions of stream API, methods. Then after optional class, have you used in your project optional class? Yes, we have. And for what purpose we used for null pointer exception? What are the methods we have in optional? Of nullable is present, and other also. Ambity. Then he moved to yeah, these questions you can always lambda, stream, and methods. What are the methods? We have static and default methods. Prepare for them. And then he moved to, the interview is only for 30 minutes, so there's not lot of question from everything. It's 4 5 questions from each. Then move to spring boot. Difference between spring boot and spring framework. Bean scope. We have prototype, we have singleton, we have request, these all. And bean scope. Then after that, how you define application dot property file in your project. Features of spring boot, and what are the solid principle, spring annotation. What are the spring annotation you have used, and what is rest controller, and controller, difference between them. What are the annotation you used in rest controller, and how you interact with other microservices. So you can, we have like you can interact with other by using REST template or by HTTP methods or whatever other also. And what is microservices? Yes. And yeah, microservice, what is microservices? Design pattern of it, it's trending. This question is trending right now. Design pattern of microservice. Yeah, this question you should prepare. And yeah, but other questions like how you commit code and what application you used, how CI/CD pipeline work, how CI/CD pipeline work. Then Docker, have you used Docker in your application? What's the use of it? What testing you do you in your project? Then after that you can see questions from yeah Docker, CI/CD commits, and yeah these questions you can answer in your app in your CGI. So these are the basics questions I faced, and also one more exception handling. How you handle exception how you handle exception in your project if I run try without any other block, will it run? How finally run? How finally works? So this question you can see also from null pointer exception. Thank you guys. Yeah, this question you can prepare for your interview. If you have any questions and query, feel free to comments. I'll share the next interview I have gone through. Will share with you, update you. If you want more videos like this, please comment, like, and subscribe.